Planning a trip to Greece? Wondering where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Greece, the cradle of Western civilization, is a destination that beckons with its rich tapestry of history, stunning landscapes, and a culture that's as vibrant as the Aegean Sea. This Mediterranean gem, adorned with ancient ruins, sun-kissed islands, and mouth-watering cuisine, promises an experience like no other. As the birthplace of philosophy, drama, and democracy, the allure of Greece is timeless and transcends borders. But we understand that planning a trip to such a diverse country can seem overwhelming. Questions about the best time to visit, what to pack, where to stay, what to eat, and how to navigate the local customs and etiquette may be swirling around your mind. Fear not, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Stay tuned to unravel the secrets of an unforgettable Greek vacation. Embarking on a journey requires careful planning. So, where do you begin for Greece? Let's start with the best time to visit. Greece, with its Mediterranean charm, is a delight all year round. However, for the perfect blend of pleasant weather and fewer crowds, consider traveling during the shoulder seasons: spring, April to early June, and fall, September and October. The summer months can be quite hot and crowded, especially on the islands. Next, let's talk about visa requirements. If you're from a country within the Schengen area, you won't need a visa. For others, a Schengen visa may be required, depending on your nationality. Always check the latest requirements from the official Greek consulate or embassy in your country before making any travel plans. Now, on to flights. Greece's main international airport is in Athens, but there are also airports on many of the islands. It's worth checking out different airlines and routes for the best deals. Remember, booking well in advance can save you a pretty penny. Travel insurance is an absolute must, regardless of the destination. It's your safety net in case of any unexpected incidents, from minor ones like baggage loss to major ones like medical emergencies. Some reputable providers include World Nomads, Alliance Travel, and Safety Wing. These companies offer comprehensive coverage options suitable for various types of travelers. And here's a pro tip: always make a checklist. This should include everything from your passport and tickets to your hotel booking and travel insurance details. Having everything in one place can save you a lot of stress and ensure nothing slips through the cracks. Remember, the key to a smooth journey lies in meticulous planning, so take your time, do your research, and prepare well. After all, the ancient Greeks were known for their wisdom and prudence, and there's no better way to honor them than by planning your trip to their homeland with the same care and thoughtfulness. Got your tickets booked? Now let's dive into settling your accommodation and transportation in Greece. First off, the accommodation. Greece offers a plethora of options to choose from. For those seeking luxury and comfort, there's a wide array of five-star hotels and resorts, especially in popular destinations like Athens, Santorini, and Mykonos. If you're looking for something a bit more homely, you might want to consider a bed and breakfast or a vacation rental. These are perfect for getting a taste of the local lifestyle. Now, for the budget-conscious travelers, hostels are an excellent choice. They're not only affordable, but they also offer opportunities to meet fellow travelers. Remember, the key to choosing the right accommodation is to consider your budget, travel style, and the locations you plan to visit. Moving on to transportation. Greece has a well-connected public transportation system, including buses, trams, and a metro service in Athens. They're cost-effective and convenient for getting around. For island hopping, ferries are your go-to mode of transportation. They're not only affordable, but they also offer some stunning views of the Greek coastline. However, if you prefer flexibility and convenience, you might want to consider car rentals. While they can be a bit pricier, they give you the freedom to explore at your own pace. Just be mindful of the narrow roads and the Greek driving style, which can be quite adventurous to say the least. For shorter distances, taxis are readily available, but be sure to agree on the fare before you hop in to avoid any surprises. Alternatively, you can also rent a bike or a scooter, especially in the islands, where the distances are shorter and the traffic is less intense. In conclusion, the choice of accommodation and transportation in Greece largely depends on your budget, travel style, and the places you wish to visit. Regardless of your preferences, Greece has something to offer for everyone. Choosing the right accommodation and transportation can significantly enhance your travel experience. Nothing immerses you more into a country's culture than its food. And when it comes to Greece, the cuisine is a delightful journey that tells a story of the land, its history, and its people. Each bite is a portal to a world of flavors, a testament to the richness of the Mediterranean. Let's start with the must-try dishes. Greek cuisine is a treasure trove of mouth-watering delights. First on the list is the infamous gyro, a fast food marvel that combines meat, tomatoes, onions, and the delicious tzatziki sauce, all wrapped in a fluffy pita bread. Next up is the moussaka, an oven-baked casserole of eggplant or potatoes, minced meat, and a creamy bechamel sauce. And let's not forget the spanakopita, a savory pastry filled with spinach and feta cheese. When it comes to dining etiquette, Greeks are known for their hospitality. It's not uncommon to be offered second and even third helpings, so be ready to eat, a lot. Also, remember that tipping is customary in Greece. Leaving around 10% of your bill is a nice way to show appreciation for the service. But Greece isn't just about food, it's a country steeped in history and culture. From the iconic Acropolis in Athens to the awe-inspiring Meteora monasteries in central Greece, there are countless cultural and historical sites to explore. Each place tells a story, a piece of the grand tapestry that is Greek history. You can also immerse yourself in the vibrant culture by attending local festivals. The Panegyri, a traditional Greek festival, is a must-visit. It's a celebration of life, filled with music, dancing, and of course, lots of food. In the end, remember that immersing yourself in the local culture is a crucial part of the travel experience. It's about more than just visiting a new place. It's about connecting with the people, understanding their traditions, and appreciating their way of life. When in Greece, eat as the Greeks do and immerse yourself in their vibrant culture. Safety first, a golden rule for every traveler. Now let's talk about safety measures and general etiquette for your Greek adventure. When it comes to safety, there are a few things to keep in mind. Greece is generally safe, but like anywhere, it's essential to remain vigilant. Be aware of your possessions, especially in crowded areas or on public transportation. For solo travelers, it's wise to share your itinerary with someone back home. Emergencies can happen, and it's crucial to be prepared. Have a list of emergency numbers, including the local police, ambulance, and your country's embassy. And remember, the Universal European Emergency Number is 112. Now let's switch gears to etiquette. Greeks are warm and hospitable, and they appreciate it when visitors respect their customs. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites, no bare shoulders or shorts. When greeting, a firm handshake is standard. And remember, it's customary to say "Yassas," hello, and "Evcharisto," thank you. Also, it's a Greek tradition to offer food and drink to guests. Politely accepting is a sign of respect. And don't forget, Greeks take their afternoon siesta seriously. Try to avoid making loud noises or phone calls between 2 and 5 in the afternoon. Lastly, tipping is appreciated in Greece. A rule of thumb is to leave a 10% tip in restaurants and round up to the nearest hole for taxis. Stay safe and respect local customs for a hassle-free trip. Enjoy your journey in this beautiful country. Money matters. Let's talk budgeting for your Greek adventure. To make the most of every dollar, careful planning is key. Remember, Greece uses the euro, so it's crucial to keep an eye on exchange rates. Currency exchange services are widely available, but consider withdrawing cash from ATMs for better rates. Credit cards are commonly accepted in cities and tourist areas. However, carrying some cash is advisable for smaller towns and islands. When budgeting, keep in mind the average daily cost. A casual meal could range from 10 to 20 euros, while a dinner at an upscale restaurant might run you from 30 to 50 euros. Accommodation varies widely, from budget hostels at 20 euros a night to luxury hotels that can cost upwards of 100 euros. Sightseeing expenses also add up, with entrance fees to major attractions like the Acropolis around 20 euros. A well-planned budget ensures a stress-free vacation. Let's recap the essential tips for your Greek vacation. Start by meticulously planning your trip, considering the best time to visit and places to explore. Prioritize finding the right accommodation and understanding the local transportation system. Indulge in the rich food and vibrant culture while being mindful of safety and local etiquette. Finally, manage your budget wisely, and don't forget to factor in small indulgences. Embrace these tips and embark on an unforgettable journey to Greece. Safe travels!